So the course is really varied. It starts off with foundational modules based around science and understanding different protocols, and then it branches out into lots of different fields. So you could be looking in some modules around the digital environment and investigations online, right through to forensic anthropology, forensic pathology, and more lab-based work. It's got a real variety. Some of it being in the classroom and in lecture halls, and then some of it being more practical and applied. People that are interested in careers that are going to end up in investigation, intelligence, crime scene work and evidence recovery. So people that are generally interested in policing, come and do this course and do very well. People who have a scientific mind, who are interested in understanding how the police investigate crimes, what kind of scientific techniques and crime scene evaluations are performed. The facilities that we have here on campus are fantastic. We're here in the crime scene rooms. We have 8 of these on campus. They create an environment where the students can apply the knowledge that they've learned across all their modules and give it a real flavour of what it's like to actually perform the role in the real world. We have the Super Lab downstairs, which is a huge laboratory capable of having 200 students conducting experiments all at the same time. So in terms of facilities, we're really well placed. The course is accredited by the Chartered Society of Forensic Scientists, which means that people come independently to review the content of the course, make sure that it's relevant to the industry that the students are going to go into. And we have lots of little offshoots as well in terms of partnerships with people. So we have a partnership with some companies and they come and deliver their software so that the students get a real flavour for how the police use software in real life and walk away with that qualification and knowledge and experience. And that adds on to the different skill sets that the tutors and the lecturers have within the course. So we have some practitioners like myself that have served in the police or were crime scene examiners, right through to people who've worked in DNA labs and performed other skills elsewhere in private industry. The modules that are taught throughout the course build on each other, and the competencies that you achieve throughout each module become more complex as you go through the course. So you're learning how police officers and crime scene examiners actually operate in the real world. So you're going to be using the standard operating procedures and the guidelines that would be expected of crime scene examiners actually in the police today. In a number of ways. So number one, we have live briefs. In our live briefs, we invite partners from generally policing to come in to a specific module and set a challenge for the students, so some kind of problem or issue that the police are dealing with at the moment, and the assessment for the students is to come up with solutions or analysis for that problem and present them back to the industry partner. So at the moment we have 2 or 3 different police forces that come in and work with the students with those type of problems. So that's creating authentic learning within our modules, and you're actually meeting police officers and detectives and crime scene examiners that are doing the role day to day. That's number one. Number two, we have placements. So some students have a placement opportunity. At the moment we have students placed with the National Crime Agency and police forces throughout the UK in an investigative role and also in crime scene examination. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on campus very soon.